Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming accounts and access. Sign into the Zoom web portal with the account that will host meetings, then sign into Outlook or Microsoft 365 in your browser to ensure permissions. Once signed in, open Zoom settings and locate calendar integration. Choose Microsoft 365 or Exchange depending on your tenant. You do this because Zoom needs delegated access to create and read events. Make sure to grant consent for calendar scopes so Zoom can sync events and add conferencing automatically. Now you connect Outlook to Zoom. In Zoom's calendar integration page, select Microsoft 365 or Exchange. Pick OAuth for most modern tenants or Service Account if IT requires it. You'll be redirected to Microsoft to grant calendar. Read-write and user impersonation scopes. Approve as admin to enable organization-wide use. Once done, return to Zoom and set default meeting options like duration and video on /off so every invite has correct defaults. This step ensures events created in Outlook automatically include Zoom conferencing. Complete by testing a calendar event in Outlook and verifying a Zoom meeting link is added automatically. You should also confirm the correct host and time zone. If the link doesn't appear, make sure admin consent wasn't revoked and OAuth tokens haven't expired. Reauthorize the integration if necessary. For persistent issues, check Zoom's integration logs and Microsoft audit logs to pinpoint permission or provisioning errors. If needed, remove and reconnect the calendar integration. This often resolves stale tokens or misconfigured accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.